Like she puts 3 recipes in a week, so that is a very good part, and she has a very too much clarity and very focused. So this I think that it is a very good influence on the people, and she's consistent past 10 years. She has been consistent. I am watching her past 5 years. And then Mr. Vivek Bindra, Dr. Vivek Bindra, he is a guy with a team that is fully understood, because his video starts with a disclaimer, and the disclaimer is in the black background, but it talks about everything, that the accuracy of the data may not be correct, but he hits the bullseye over there. And from 2013 he is there, and I'll say he always deals with current topics. For that reason his videos are more famous. And lastly, the Beer Biceps. He's in 2014. He is a youth icon. So he has pulled youth. He doesn't have a website. He's not so regular. He's 1 or 2 videos in a week. But he has Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Telegram. He bought everything. And also he does the podcast. So keeping everything in mind, he is a social media influencer. So he has bought all those people to YouTube. So that was my analysis.
Well done. Very good. Clap for Deblina. She has done a very
Yeah.
good analysis.
Thank
Well
you.
done, Deblina ji. You have really got good information at the start of today's session. Anyone else?
Thank
Thank you. Anyone else want to contribute? Whatever they have understood from yesterday's session or anything they have done regarding homework?
Yeah, myself, Pooja. And I just want to tell that what 3 analysis you gave and what ma'am said was perfectly fine. And I have done another 3 whom I follow usually on their channels. One is Sandeep Maheshwari. He is such a versatile one. His target customers are from small age group to the 60 plus also, and he does not do it for money, like for advertisements and all. Once you become famous, you do it for money. No, he doesn't take any money from his channel. That's what I was reading about him. One more that I went through was Karan Duha, Dil Se Foodie. And I felt that he was the one who brought in a lot of concept of becoming a guide for the entrepreneurs who want to get into this food industry venture. So he was the first icon kind for many of the youths who are following him today. And from nowhere to somewhere, it brought him. Then one more that I did analysis was on Gaur Gopal Prabhu. Maybe because of spirituality he is associated with, and he brought in a lot of followers due to it. So this was my analysis when I took the other 3 YouTube influencers.
Great, great. Very nice. And very well said about Sandeep Maheshwari ji. Even he don't actually give his seminars on the paid basis. Like as and when he wants, at that moment of time only he come in front of audience, and at that moment of time only he will do his program. Otherwise, no one can actually bring him for doing some kind of workshops and seminars. So he is having specific values on his ethics. Actually, he does whatever kind of influencing he is doing. Actually, he was initially into photography, and at that moment of time, he got very good name and recognition in his business. And because of that, actually, one of my professor, he was my colleague in Symbiosis College. So he actually called him for the first time in the seminar, one of the seminar in our Symbiosis College. I was not in Symbiosis, but I was in contact with that professor. He was director at that moment of time, and he called him. So at that moment of time, when actually we called him for the speech, actually he could not speak at that moment of time. Even English was very challenging for him, and this was the first time actually he was speaking in front of audience. So that was the time when actually he started his journey into public speaking. So that was a revolutionary moment of his life, and he also shared that particular moment in one of his video also. So I remember very well how he was started his journey, and actually from where he has now reached to there. So yeah, very well said. So you should have a very clear-cut direction, and your values and ethics needs to be very, very clear and prompt. So that also add up a lot of value. Now, yeah, other than this, okay, evaluation or analysis you all have done. Other than it, regarding homework part, anyone have done the purpose or goal exercise or clarity exercise? How actually you should become more relevant? Anyone want to add up anything from yesterday's session? Yet today, those who have recently joined, yet we have not started today's session. We are just doing some background thing, like yesterday whatever we have already seen, we are revising the same. Okay, anyone else want to add up anything regarding yesterday's discussion? Anyone? No inputs? होमवर्क तो किया ना आप लोगों ने? एटलीस्ट
yes.
जिन लोगों के चैनल नहीं है, प्लीज देखो, to yesterday whatever we have seen, it was very important. Today we are talking about specialization and different social media options wherein you could actually influence through your videos. And tomorrow again we will see to name your channel, what are all things you should keep in mind and all. And Friday, actually, we will have technical session. So before Friday, you all should have your Gmail account. If you are not having your Gmail account, so please make sure you should have your Gmail account, because of course, after Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine, and it's mutual. If you are having Google account, then automatically you'll open your account in YouTube, so you don't have to actually open another account. So if at all you are having your Gmail account, it will automatically get connected to your YouTube channel. Means your YouTube channel is there in existence, only you have to name it and basic things you have to do. So that are all things I'll take on Friday. And then Saturday, Sunday, we don't have session. From Monday to Friday, we'll have session. So 7 days we will clear. This 2 days break will be there. Then Monday again we'll have session. So within this 2 days, at least you should do basic videos, and you need to post it on your channel also. And you have to channel link of your videos, then you have to post on our discussion group. So that will be homework for you, how you have to create a YouTube channel, how you have to name it, then how you have to upload your videos, then how to write description about the videos, and all the formalities, whatever steps are there while uploading the video, you have to go through all the steps, and then you have to share the link of your video. So that part you have after Friday's session, that will be homework for you, so that at least within that Saturday and Sunday, so till Monday, you could actually post your videos in the social media and all. So that is what is our aim and objective is. So prior to start with the technical thing, those who are already having their channel, it's well and good, but those who are not having their channel, please get this clarity. And those who are already having their channel, you will get more inputs and few more insights from yesterday, today's and tomorrow's session. So I hope this much is well enough for yesterday's revision. Now we are having 24 people with us. So let's move on with today's session. Now, yesterday, 3-4 things we were discussed, and few things were actually pending from yesterday's lesson. So first we will see those
Sorry
things.
to interrupt. I raise my hand. A
Yeah.
small query I have. You
Yeah.
told before Friday, we will create the Gmail, but could you also give us that what are the list of things we should have to create the video, so that in this week we can arrange the things?
So of course that you will get from Friday's session.
Okay. I
That
see.
will cover in Friday's session, and homework you have
Okay.
to do on Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. No problem. Yeah.
Anyone else want to ask anything? I'm going to put you all on mute. Any more queries? Okay. Someone please confirm whether you all can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. Now, these are all things we were already discussed yesterday. So you all, if you would like to become video influencer, means you should be creator. So you may create your brand, you may sell your product, you may share your knowledge, you may give some kind of tutorial, you may showcase your talent, or you may become popular, or how to become famous, that thing you may share with other people. So these are all things we were seeing yesterday. Even we were seeing this example of Dr. Vivek Jindra. Then how to get started. So we were discuss about the purpose exercise, and I was explain you how to go with that. And these 3 video influencers, I was given you homework for analyzing. So Bia Bicep was one of the person. Then Nisha Madhulika was there, and one foreigner was there. Then be relevant was another thing which we discussed yesterday, why we should be relevant while sharing the content, and content must be relevant as per the interest of current audience. So we should understand what audience want, actually what we want to give. If people are not interested within that, so how actually you will inspire them or influence them. So basically what they want, you should understand them, and whatever you would like to give, you need to actually synergize those things aligned in that way, and then you should actually present it in front of your audience. Now get inspiration from video influencers, that also we have seen. So this is the third person, Peter McKinnon, and this much we were seen, I think, yesterday. So golden statement also we were covered yesterday regarding Maggie and Cadbury example also I was told you. Now let's move on to challenges. So whenever you would actually start your journey as a video influencer, at that moment of time, of course, any not only this particular journey, any journey may get some kind of challenges regarding the difference between thinking and doing. Now whenever it comes to think, okay, khayali pulao jise pakana kehte hain, matlab in thought process we can think as much as we can, and even for others, whatever other people are doing, we may actually laugh on them, we may say something bad about them, but actually when you try to do something, you'll understand what kind of efforts it takes to actually plan the content or create some original content. And whenever you are sharing at that moment of time, be presentable at that moment of time, how you are sharing, the way you are delivering that particular content in a very less amount of time, because nowadays people are in hurry, or rather they don't want to spend time, or they feel like wasting of time if you are not so much relevant or interesting for them. So at that moment of time, you should be in a very short amount of period, you have to give them very much relevant content, and that should add up value in some way in their life. Like if you are teaching something, so of course they are getting some knowledge. If they are having some kind of problem, actually you are whatever kind of problem they are facing, they want solution. Now many of the time I have seen few of the YouTubers, actually they speak so much about what they actually want to give, and they give the content this much, like 1% or 2%, and remaining 99% they'll speak about, okay, how this will useful, how this will benefit, but karna kya hai actually. What they want to give, they will speak only about 1 or 2 minutes. So these kind of YouTubers, when they actually speak a lot of stuff which is irrelevant, people even don't like that. So you need to become relevant as soon as possible, so that people should actually stick to your video at least for a long duration. Of course, if at all they could see your complete video, then it is well and good. But if at all they are spending more amount of time, more than 70-80% also, if they are watching your video, means you are giving relevant or useful content. So that kind of content, if you'd like to create, actually it needs a lot of efforts. And whenever you need to take that much effort, then you will think. So taking those efforts is doing. So doing part is of course not that much easy, but yeah, there is a lot of difference whenever you think about something कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, वो करना है, लेकिन कहाँ से करना है, कैसे करना है, तो वो doing part आता है. तो first challenge वही आ जाता है लोगों का, करना बहुत है, but exactly कहाँ से शुरू करना है, कैसे करना है, वो थोड़ा सा way मिलना या फिर उसके लिए clues मिलना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है. So that is what is first challenge many of the people find whenever starting any of the journey, just like video influencing journey. Then the second point is, if you want to fulfill your dream, you have to take action. And many of the time, actually, people fail in taking action. They may got clarity, okay, I know this, I want to give this, and people may follow me. They may have so many things with them, but actually when it comes to deliver it at that moment of time, they don't know from where to start, so how to take action. And there actually many of the time people stuck. So this is what is the time wherein you have to come out of those barrier or procrastination, and you need to take action. Until and unless you'll not take action, actually you're not going to get anything. So if you really want to become video influencer, you need to understand which are the tools, which are those medium through which actually you could create good content, you could actually create good videos, and you could become relevant and influence others. And then if at all your videos get viral, of course you'll become famous very soon, and you'll get more number of followers, subscribers, and then of course you may come in monetization also. Every platform, like it may not be only YouTube, but as well as Facebook and other platform also pay you. Means there are some terms and conditions for monetization that you need to understand. And once you get actually eligible for those terms and conditions, whatever they have given for monetization, then you will start earning from these medium. But as I have already mentioned, you don't actually expect a monetization at the very early stage. You need to take some efforts first. You need to be very much clear on what exactly you'd like to give. Until and unless you don't have that clarity, actually, even though you will give a lot of content, बहुत सारा कंटेंट देना, एक्चुअली क्वांटिटी बहुत ज्यादा है, लेकिन अगर उसमें क्वालिटी नहीं है तो नो वन विल गोइंग टू चेक योर वीडियोस. सो बेसिकली आप कितने वीडियो डालते हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, बट अगर आपका एक भी वीडियो है लेकिन उसमें आप बहुत अच्छा कंटेंट आपने दिया है, तो वो भी आपका वीडियो वायरल हो सकता है, और एक या दो वीडियो के बेसिस पे भी आप बहुत फेमस हो सकते हो. So that is what is actually you need to take in consideration. You need to understand that quantity doesn't matter, but quality matters here. So for giving quality, you need to do some research, prior work, prior homework is needed. And that homework is through these exercises, whatever we are going to do yesterday, whatever we have done today, whatever we are going to do, and tomorrow, whatever we are going to do, is initial exercises before exactly starting with your influencing journey, video influencing journey. So that is what is difference between taking action and just watching the dreams and all. Now, next is to choose your purpose. You must follow the steps explained in this session over here. So what are those steps? Now, yesterday we have done one of the exercise. Now, that step, and again, whatever upcoming sessions will give you different kind of tools and different methods and techniques. Of course, you have to follow them. If you'll follow them, it will be very easy for you to start your journey and get good output from this journey, and become more popular within less amount of time, will become easier after understanding all these things. Now, the second challenge many of the time people face is log kya kahenge? What will people say about me? मैं अगर ऐसे दूंगा या ऐसे दूंगी तो लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या बातें करेंगे, and all these kind of things. So that are mental blockages. If at all we are having some kind of mental blockages about people around us, or may if at all you are having some kind of inferiority complex about you, okay, my communication is not good, or I'm not in my looks and all, or it may happen that I may not be that much confident. It may happen that people may not like me, or whatever kind of barrier you may have, that are mental blockages. And if at all you will have such kind of mental blockages, again, whenever you'll create your videos at that moment of time, you'll always feel like that negativity around you, and that's how you may not actually get that kind of motivation or enthusiasm in that particular way, actually what people expect. So first thing is, you need to remove these kind of mental blockages wherein लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग हंसेंगे तो नहीं, कुछ बातें तो नहीं करेंगे, and all that kind of thing. You need to be relevant. You need to get that clarity. Okay, what exactly I want to give, how exactly I'm going to do that, and actually what people are going to get out of it. So if people will find that kind of information or that kind of value within your content, of course they'll follow you. So that's why actually these are all mental blockages, these barriers, this inferior complexity, and all this kind of thing. You need to come out of that if you really want to become video influencer, because facing camera may be challenging for many of the people. So there should not be any kind of hesitation while facing the camera, and you should feel good about it. Don't feel bad about any of the thing. It may be from small things like your looks and all, but again, whether people will like it or not and all, that is different thing. You don't have to actually think about that. So all these kind of barriers, all these kind of blockages, you need to overcome and be focused on what exactly you'd like to give to society, and in a positive way, how you could actually influence them, inspire them, motivate them. In that way actually you think, rather than taking it negatively. So come out of these all kind of negativity. That is the way how you could actually overcome this second challenge. Now the third challenge is work on your weakness. Now from the childhood itself, our Indian education system, if you'll consider, or even our upbringing, for the background wherein we have actually grown up, always people find some kind of weaknesses, and if at all we are having any kind of weaknesses, they'll always focus on those weaknesses, and they'll always tell us, give a suggestion, recommendation on working on weaknesses. But actually that is not recommended. You just need to manage your weakness, but you need to work on your strengths. You need to first identify what is your strength. If at all you know what is your strength, so practice more on your strength rather than working more on your weaknesses. Because anyhow, if you work on your weaknesses, up to what level you'll reach, up to the mark only. You cannot actually perform fantastically, or you'll not go outstanding within that. You may actually reach to certain level, but if you really want to get that stardom, actually you need to work on your strength. Now for example, अगर लता मंगेशकर ने उनके strength पे काम किया, singing was her strength, and actually she worked on her singing. अगर किसी ने उनको बोला रहता कि आपको इंजीनियर बनना है, नहीं आपको सिंगिंग नहीं करना है, तो पता नहीं वो इतना जो स्टारडम उनको आज मिला है, उनको हम भारत की कोकिला कहते हैं, उनको कितने सारे अलग अलग अवार्ड से सराहा गया है, तो शायद उतना रिकॉग्निशन उनको नहीं मिल पाता, क्योंकि उनकी स्ट्रेंथ जो है, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ थी सिंगिंग, और उन्होंने सिंगिंग को ही अपना पैशन बनाया, उसको ही अपना प्रोफेशन बनाया, एंड दैट्स हाउ एक्चुअली she could reach to the level what actually we now we can see her. अमिताभ बच्चन, अगर किसी ने कहा होता कि आपको डॉक्टर बनना है, तो शायद वो उतना अच्छे से परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाते, लेकिन उन्होंने एक्टिंग को अपना पैशन रखा हमेशा, उसमें उन्होंने उनके स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर काम किया। आपको पता है हर जो सक्सेसफुल पर्सन है, उनके भी बहुत सारे लूजिंग स्टोरीज है कि कहाँ पे, जैसे उन्होंने रेडियो चैनल पे भी पहले ट्राई किया था, तो उनकी भद्दी आवाज की वजह से उनको बहुत सारे चैनल्स ने रिजेक्ट किया था। आज हम जिनको सुपरस्टार कहते हैं, जिनकी पूजा की जाती है, उनके मंदिर भी बनाए लोगों ने, तो इतना जिन्हें लोगों का प्यार मिला, अगर वो उनके स्ट्रेंथ पे काम नहीं करते थे, तो शायद वो इतना आगे नहीं बढ़ पाते थे। तो द मीनिंग इज व्हाट एक्चुअली आई वांट टू give you messages ki rather than working on your weaknesses, what you have to do is you have to identify your strength and work on your strength. Weaknesses you need to manage. If at all you feel that okay, my communication is not that much good, fine, you may choose your own language. There are people who actually run their channels in their local language, and they are famous in that vicinity, means they have got that much audience within their local language also. So language is not a problem, and only in our country, in India only, that is the challenging thing, that whatever mother tongue we are saying, we are using, that is not the professional language. Because why it has happened? Because we got ruled by these Britishers, and they were started education system, and as they were started education system, that influence is there of the English language, and that's why actually there is differentiation in our mother tongue and which language actually universally and at the national level we are using and speaking. So that's the only thing. So don't worry if at all you find I'm not very good in my communication. So that is not a problem. You may use your own language. If you feel something regarding your confidence, okay, automatically you have to work on it. You have to actually take some challenges and just try to work on it, practice it. Practicing, actually practice makes the man perfect. So that is what is the key behind any of the thing, that if at all you find something which is you need to which is your weaknesses, what you have to do is you have to just come out of that self doubt, and you have to just focus on your strength, and you have to ignore few of the things which you feel okay, I am not good at this particular thing. So just remove that kind of blockages from your mind and keep on working on your strength. So that's how you have to manage your weaknesses. And of course, competition is there. And if at all there is no competition, then there will be no, you may say, that kind of motivation you'll not get, because no one is there. It is not a race if there is only one person. So whether it is called a race or anyone will get any kind of enthusiasm out of it, of course not. Because that will not add up any kind of value. So if at all you are the only one, then there is no competition. But of course, if there are people, so you will understand that where I should improve, what good they are doing, and what where should I should actually improve, which are those areas which they are doing nicely and I'm not doing nicely. So all this kind of comparative study also you can do. So again, positively you should take up all these things, though there is competition, but you have to actually focus on only your work. You don't have to focus on what they are doing. Just take positive things, that okay, my competitor is doing this thing very nicely, okay, I need to work on this, and here if I'll work, it may happen that I will also get good response as my competitor is getting. So always think in a positive way and work on these kind of things, and take some kind of inspiration and motivation out of this competition also. So take these competitions in a positive way. So competition is definitely a challenge if you are only one part. So this we have already covered. If you think there are no more, you will feel good. Okay, कोई नहीं है तो मैं ही विनर हूँ, ऐसे लोगों को लगेगा। कहीं से तो डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा है, प्लीज म्यूट पे रहिए। Okay, then ask help. Do not shy away. So of course, if you feel that something you need to work on, so you should not feel bad about it. You have to ask help. Now today actually we are living in an era wherein anything, now Google is really Google Baba, and they are solving all our problem. The moment we write some kind of problem, immediately we actually get a lot of answers. So if at all you feel somewhere that okay, I got stuck over here, so don't feel shame about it. Social media is actually a huge community nowadays, and you can ask anything and you will get all of the answers. There are very few things for which you will not get your answers, but if at all you are not getting answers from social media or from your community, of course Nita Training and Consulting Services is there. So now as you have enrolled for this course, as and when you are getting any kind of problems, you may ask for the solution. So discussion group will be always remain open for you all, and as and when you'll find any kind of problem, we will try to solve it on the discussion group. Of course, it is not possible for us to handhold individually, but of course, if at all you would like to ask any question, wherever you feel that you have got stuck and you want any kind of answers of your queries, you may actually put your queries on discussion group. We'll definitely get back to your queries. So that is how you have to take help. helpers are, there are several people who are always ready to help people. So that is what another challenge. This is what is the way to face that challenge. Now the fourth one is how to get started. So that was our yesterday's session, how to get started. So what are all things we have discussed within this lesson? Start afresh. आपको newly बिल्कुल बड़े ही motivation से और enthusiasm से आपको start करना है. You should always be relevant. You need to take some inspiration from your famous YouTubers or those who actually you follow. Then you need to conquer your fear. You need to build on your strength. You need to ask help. Do not shy away. Don't be afraid of competition. Focus and stay on your path. Focus on your massive action plan and write your purpose of becoming video influencer on a blank page, and all these things we have seen yesterday. So outcomes were search for the purpose of being video influencer, keep your purpose relevant according to the present scenario, and get inspired by famous video influencer. Okay, now here we have done with the first lesson. Now we are going to start with the second lesson, today's part. Now, up till now, if anyone is having any kind of doubts, queries, anyone wants any kind of clarification, please let me know. Over to you. You may unmute yourself and you may speak out, or you may write in the chat box. Okay, all is well. No queries, no doubts. Should we move ahead then? Please write yes in the chat box. Okay. Okay, now please confirm whether you could see my screen or not. Okay, someone has written something in chat box. Let me see. I am a camera shy person, hence I'm asking. Okay, ठीक है ना सर, कोई सर या मैम. ओके स्मिता जी, नो प्रॉब्लम. कैमरा शाय होना ये हम आसानी से इसको ओवरकम कर लेंगे. उसके लिए आप पहले तो आप के खुद के वीडियोस आप कुछ बनाओ आपके लिए ही, एंड खुद उसको देखो जिस तरह से हम मिरर में कुछ एक्सरसाइज करते हैं उस टाइप के. Yeah, you need to feature on videos, of course, if you'd like to become the video influencer. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है मैं उसका पूरा डिटेलिंग दूंगी अपने आने वाले सेशन में, जहाँ पे हम अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगे. वीडियो शूट कैसे करना है, लाइट्स, वॉइस एंड ऑल ये कैसे देखना है, अपना प्रोडक्शन कैसे करना है, एडिटिंग कैसे करना है, वो जब हम टेक्निकल चीजों में थोड़ा सा अंदर आ जाएंगे ना, उस टाइम पे वो सारी चीजें मैं कवर करने वाली हूँ. अभी हम जर्नी स्टार्ट करने से पहली वाली बातें देख रहे हैं. इस वीक एंड में यानी कि फ्राइडे हम अपना जर्नी एग्जैक्टली स्टार्ट करेंगे, टेक्निकल जर्नी की, जहाँ पे हम अपना चैनल बना रहे हैं. ओके, समवन इज हैविंग प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंडिंग हिंदी. सो ऑन फ्राइडे we are actually going to start with our journey with a technical thing. Okay, we'll create our own channel, then we'll understand okay how to upload videos on our channel. Then we'll understand some basic part of editing and all, and then we'll understand production part. So in production part, of course, how to shoot, what are the different kind of basic things we'll require for that, and then how much expense, actually economically how much expense it will occur, and all that kind of thing. Then we will try to make it in a very, very small budget, so you don't have to spend any kind of investment you don't have to do whenever you have to start your video influencing journey. So a very small kind of prerequisites are there. If you are actually managing those, then you can become a very good video influencer. So all those kind of technical things we will start discussing from Friday onwards. And prior to that, now till Thursday, we are going to understand the prerequisite. So yesterday we have got the clarity how to start, and we have actually seen the bullet points wherein we understand okay, these are all things we need to work on before starting our YouTube channel or starting our video influencing journey. Now many of the time whenever it comes to video, actually it comes to our mind that is YouTube, because it is the first number one media, social media. But of course there are more than several other channels are also there, social media options are also there, wherein you could actually become a good video influencer. Yeah, someone, Wari Singh Wadala, you're having any query?
Hi, Dr. Neeta. I just wanted to check one thing, please. Regarding what you were saying to complete the homework that you'd given yesterday, how to choose your YouTube specialization. You said to do homework on, your favorite, influencers, YouTube influencers, and you've given the example of Peter and Dr. Nisha, the recipe chef Nisha. So, इनके अलावा, can you give a couple of other names that you can look into?
So specialization, actually now we are going to start with. Yesterday it was just a overview. Specialization we are going to talk about today in today's session. Yet we have not started about specialization.
Okay, so you'll
Of
give
course
examples.
you'll get few more examples. That is not a problem.
Yeah, because I'd like to go through them.
Yeah. So yesterday, even apart from that, Dr. Vivek Pindra, so entrepreneurship related, business related thing we were discussed. And today also at the start of the session, 2 people have added three more, like 6 people we have actually discussed. So spiritual channel, then training related channel, learning related channel. So of course, there are several we have discussed up till now, but today in today's session, we are going to discuss about specialization. Okay. So don't worry, if at all your question still remain in your mind, then you may ask at the end of session. So go through this lesson first and then let me understand. Okay.
Sure. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. So let's begin with lesson number 2. Anyone else is having any query? Anyone wants to ask anything prior to start this lesson? Okay, then let's begin with lesson number 2. So which is the problem we are going to solve within this lesson is how to choose the specialization on YouTube. So of course, what is the summary of this lesson is to choose your YouTube specialization, you need to identify your passion. That is what is the key behind finding the specialization. Then build a connection with your passion and content brainstorming for getting a winning idea. Then narrow down your niche, validate its demand, and check its financial viability. Now, for example, your passion may be anything. So someone may be passionate about dancing, someone may be passionate about singing, doing different kind of recipes, then gardening, then some kind of exercises like yoga, meditation, or Zumba and all this kind of thing, aerobics and all. Then someone may be good in drawing, art and craft. So all these are the different kind of passion. Now, if at all it's your hobby or if at all it's your passion, how to align your passion with the current requirement? That is what is very important, because you should know the way. Now, again, once you understand, okay, this is my strength, this is my passion, but you should understand the demand. So how you will understand what people exactly want, in what way exactly they want. Okay, who is my target audience, who wants to check all these things? So you need to identify and you need to find out your niche out of it. Now finding niche is something to narrow down. Now for example, there is a broad category. Now within that broad category, you need to find out your specialty. Okay, for whom you would like to work on, whether you would like to work for only females. Okay, in females, you'd like to work in the age group, in a certain age group from 18 to 40, for example. For those only, you'd like to give something. You'd like to work only for moms. So you'd like to give some kind of products or services which is very much suitable for new mom, or those who are actually starting their journey with their child, and all that kind of stuff you'd like to give. So you need to narrow down to specific things. Okay, I am a part of this broad category. Now within this broad category, what exactly is my niche? So you need to narrow down to that particular point, and that's how actually you need to come up with the problem and come up with the solution. And that's how you need to put up in such a way that people, okay, those who are following you, they'll understand, okay, this is for me, and that's how I need to follow him or her. So that's how actually you need to narrow down. Matlab problem aata hai and you are going to give them solutions. So you need to know what is the burning problem of people. Now you need to actually first identify, get clarity on your passion, your profession, and then based on that, you need to check viability also. Viability means what? Okay, now this is what is you have identified. Okay, now there are few of the tools with which you can check the viability also. Now, if at all you'd like to start any kind of business at that moment of time, how we check the business viability? If at all I would like to start my startup. Now, checking viability means whatever product or service I am planning, whether people are ready to buy it or not. Commercial viability of that particular product. Now, many of the companies or corporates spend lots and lots of money on doing all this kind of research, because until and unless you'll not do proper research, you don't know whether if you are spending a lot of money and time within that, if it get flops, then what you'll do. So before launching that particular product, if you at all understand what people actually want and what they require, so based on that, actually you could align how you would like to mold that particular thing, whatever all your offerings are. So checking viability means आप जो देना चाहते हो वो सचमुच लोगों को चाहिए क्या, means if you are preparing a dog food, whether that dog food dog like or not. So that is what is very important. So where to work and how to start on that, that is what is a part of your research. So you need to understand what exactly the current trends are, what exactly people like to actually know, what their interest areas are, and what exactly actually they would like to know from you. And that's how actually you could find out whether this will be suitable or not. If I want to start my channel in this way, so whether it will now I'm not remembering the name of that lady, but actually there is one lady who is having she is a very good video influencer. What she has done is, her niche, how she find out is whatever foreign languages are there other than of course English, so like Japanese, French and all, there are very few people actually who teach these languages into Hindi. So in Hindi language, means foreigners are there who actually teaches all these kind of languages in English and all, but there are very less number of people who actually teach these languages. So multi-bhashi या something like उस type का नाम है उस channel का. And actually her niche is, what she has done, she has come up with these kind of languages and she is tutoring these languages in Hindi. Tomorrow I'll tell her name. So this is what is the niche she has find out. Okay, this is in demand, but there are very few people who actually solving this problem. Now you need to identify such kind of burning problems. Now, once you identify this is what is the burning problem people are facing nowadays, even you could actually come up with your own burning problem also. Okay, I want this, but I'm not getting any kind of solution anywhere. Okay, now this is the opportunity. This is how, if at all you are getting any problem or challenge, you need to find out the opportunity within that problem and challenge, and then start working on it. How you actually align your passion, your strength with this burning problem. So this is how first you need to do research, what exactly people are facing problem, where actually they are getting stuck, and what exactly they need to find out through these kind of influencers. And then what you could do is you could align your passion with such kind of requirement. Now there are several freely available tools wherein you could actually easily do all this kind of research. So you may note it down. Google Trends. Google Trends is one of the tool wherein you could find out the special categories. In those categories, actually, how much is the demand? How many people actually searching for that particular keywords? So if at all you are having specific category, within your category, it may be food category, it may be health category, it may be spirituality category, it may be training and learning category, education category. So you may have your own category. Within that category, you need to first identify your niche. Based on your niche, what are the different keywords? जो अभी मैंने जो भी स्टेप्स बताए हैं, वन बाय वन यू नीड टू नोट इट डाउन. पहले आपका निश आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. आपकी जो भी आपका पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रेंथ होगा उसमें आपको नैरो डाउन करना है कि ओके दिस इज माय निश. एंड वंस यू नैरो डाउन, after that within that particular category you need to find out okay which are the relevant keywords on the basis of which actually people search. So those relevant keywords you need to identify. Now, for example, we are into teachers training courses. So teachers training courses, that is TTC. So many of the time, whenever these ladies who would like to become teacher, they search for TTC, they may write TTC. So that is what is one of my keyword. Then there are Montessori courses. So Montessori courses is one of my keyword. Nursery teachers training courses is one of my teacher. Then there are other also like early childhood care and education. So that is what is again another thing for these kind of courses. So of course, if I'm giving teachers training courses in pre-primary and primary, so these are the basic keywords on the basis of which people may search for this particular category. So we need to understand, once we identify our strength, we need to narrow down to our niche. Once we narrow down to our niche, we need to identify what are the keywords in this niche on the basis of which keywords actually people do the searches. Once you identify, okay, these are my keywords. Now, what you have to do is you have to use the search engine, like whatever tool I have given you, like right now Google Trends करके मैंने आपको एक tool बताया है. Go on Google Trends, then try to find out your actual category. Category may be anything. It may be food, it may be health, it may be any technical thing and all. Within that category, just put your keywords. Those keywords actually on the basis of which people may search you or they may come to your channel or your website. So try to put those keywords in Google Trend, and based on that you will get a lot of data. आपको पूरा analysis आएगा. If you have given only in India, so you will get based on India year-wise data. You will get, if you want month-wise data also you will get, okay, these many people have searched for this particular category and all. So graph wise, you will get proper data and analysis of that particular keyword search. Overall, the world, if you would like to go for the search, then that option is also there. Choose your category, choose the location, which type of actually location you would like to go for. Overall world you would like to go, within your nation you would like to go, within your state, within your city you would like to go. So based on that actually you find out, and then based on that you may decide, okay, this is my niche. Now I understood these are the keywords people find. Okay, I understood their interest area, and these are the keywords on the basis of which people search. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to note down those keywords, and you need to actually finalize name of your channel, and many of the time whatever description of the videos you'll write at that moment of time, you need to give those keywords. So as many times even SEO आप लिखते हो, that search engine optimization onto your website, you may have SEO done properly, so that within that SEO you will actually put those keywords. So whatever are the keywords on the basis of which people may come to you, and those crawlers, Google crawlers, search engine crawlers may crawl you up to your website or your channel. So you need to understand that properly. And once you identify that keywords and all, then what you have to do, you have to actually align your passion, your offerings with the interest of people, means the demand coming from the market, what exactly people want, and now how you would like to package those things in the way people want it. जैसे हम घर पे मेहमानों को बुलाते हैं, खाना तो हम हमारे रेगुलर जो भी वेसल्स है उसमें बनाते हैं, but whenever we are serving serving them at that moment of time, actually we serve them within a very good dinner set or a good kind of vessels, and all those fancy kind of decoration we may do. So at the moment when we would like to present it, offer it, we are packaging it in such a way that even people should find it interesting. So that kind of work you need to do. So all these kind of things you need to do prior to finalize your specialization. So this was the second point. Now moving on to the third step, the 3-step checklist for finding your niche is comprised of selecting a topic that interests you, your understanding and your audience needs and demands, and how to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, if you'd like to become the YouTuber wherein you like to earn money out of your channel, then you need to actually understand what is in the trend right now, whatever current trends are going on and what exactly people are liking, okay, which are those topics which are getting searched most of the time. And okay, that is what is the way wherein if you understand the demand, then giving supply will be very easy. If you'll not actually do this calculation, okay, what they demand and what you are giving, your offerings are not matching with the demand, then of course there will be no use of giving good content. You may be knowing the fact that there are many authors who are very good writers, but those each and everyone are not bestsellers, है ना. जो बेस्ट सेलर्स है हो सकता है उससे भी बहुत अच्छे राइटर्स होंगे जो बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटी के बुक्स लिखते हैं, बट who is becoming bestseller, they understand the stuff ki how to market their product, how to actually reach the people, how to reach the audience, how to actually fill that gap of actually what they demand and what we supply. So how to bridge this gap, those who understand those things, actually they got more popularity and they become the bestsellers. So to become bestsellers, it's not always necessary that you should be on the top or you should know all the stuff and all, but whatever you know, if you do all these kind of research properly and bridge all this gap, then automatically you will get a good demand from the market. So doing all this research is very, very important. Okay, so for getting specialization, understanding your niche, all these kind of steps, three step checklist you need to do prior to finalize your specialization. Now moving on to the main content of today's session. First point is how to choose your specialization on YouTube. So of course, first point within this is you need to identify your passion. So you should first identify your passion. It may be anything. It may be gardening, it may be art and craft, it may be beauty. So any subject you are interested in, that is what is your passion. Now you can select your niche based on your passion and make YouTube videos around it. It is necessary to have a passion for most your subject in your videos. So of course, if you're not passionate about what you really want to give to people, of course what will happen, if you are not that much enthusiastic, you are not that much motivated, how you actually influence other, how you'll actually motivate other, that is what is the big question. So first you should be motivated about that particular thing. Your passion should revolve around it. You need to work creatively on that particular part. It's not like kahin se liya, yahan se liya, wahan se liya, and then sab kuch yahan wahan se chapa hua hi de rahe. So what's new in that? So whether you are giving some original content within your area, whether you have done something good which is not given by others, okay, if at all you are giving the same thing which other people are giving, so which is the USP of your delivery that okay, people should listen to you. If at all it's the same kind of stuff what others are giving, then there should be some criteria on the basis of which you will identify your uniqueness. So you need to identify and you need to work creatively on that particular part. Even though there are hundreds and thousands and millions of beauty channels which are giving beauty tips, but what is that unique thing? That is one thing you need to identify which is unique for you. And there must be one thing. If at all there is not at all, means if you could not find it, then it is very difficult, but you need to actually narrow down to that one unique point which is very, very different, makes you different and stand you away from the crowd. So that one difference you need to identify. It may be of course more than one, but at least one difference you need to identify, and you need to focus on that particular thing. Even though you are having a lot of things. Now, for example, I have, whenever I told you about keyword, I talk only about teachers training courses. I didn't talk about other courses, like we are having more than 50 courses on WhatsApp. But whenever it comes to specialization, we always comes to teachers training courses, because from where we were started, it was our niche, and that is what is actually make us unique in the market. So Nita training is known for teachers training. So of course, though we are having n number of courses with us, but yeah, there is one unique thing with us, that we are into teachers training. So we are creating teachers, we are developing trainers. So all these kind of things makes us unique from others. So you should always have that unique quality, that USP with you, that okay, what makes you stand unique from the crowd. So you need to identify that and you need to work on that, and your passion should revolve around it in such a way that you should be always creative whenever you're delivering your content. Now, second point is passion builds a connection. So if you are passionate about your topic, your enthusiasm will be visible in your videos and it will help in building connection with the audience. Of course, visible होता है ना, दिखता है. अगर आप passionate हो तो वो passion लोगों को भी दिखता है और समझ में आता है, और अगर वो passion नहीं है तो वो भी समझ में आता है कि नहीं बस यहाँ वहाँ से उठाया हुआ data दे रहे. So that is also important and you need to take a lot of efforts on it. So of course, while creating that niche and all, you need to do a lot of research, and based on that, actually, you need to find your niche and give that creativity. Okay, now next is financial viability. So you should select a niche that will help you to earn good money also. ऐसे नहीं कि आपने आपका niche तो ले लिया लेकिन उसमें लोग पैसे देना ही नहीं चाहते. There are many consultant. They always complain me कि मैम कंसल्टेशन करते हैं, बातें करते हैं, एंड लोगों को लगता है कि उसके क्या पैसे देना है, लाइक हाउ टू एक्चुअली चार्ज मनी आउट ऑफ इट, एंड दे विल नेवर पे. So many of the consultant, many of the time complain me about these are all kind of thing. So you should be very much professional in all these terms, like how you are charging and on which basis actually you are going to charge money to others. So if at all you know that you could charge, so there are parameters and well-defined parameters needs to be there. It should be very clear understanding to others as and when they are coming to you for any kind of offerings of your products and services. They should understand ki where they have to pay. And whenever you would like to monetize any of your video influencing journey, at that moment of time, you need to understand ki for which are those areas wherein people are ready to pay for that particular product and services. So that is what is very important. If at all it's not commercially viable, in that case, even when we are at the stage of starting any kind of startup, so understanding the viability, commercial viability is very, very important. So to understand commercial viability, many of the times what startup do is startup for first task for any of the startup is getting first paying client. So how to get first paying client is the first thing that any of the startup needs to do. Ki whether whatever new offerings they are having, because startup is something wherein they are going to disrupt existing market and they need to come up with some kind of new original idea. Now that original idea, they may feel it's a wonderful idea. Okay, I may change the world with this particular product. People will like this product, blah, 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 blah. But whether people are ready to buy that product, whether really there is demand for that product or not. So that's how actually startup may check commercial viability of the product. And in the similar way, whenever you are starting your video influencing journey, you need to check whether there is demand for this particular offering or not, whether people are ready to pay money in return to whatever are your offerings or not. So that's how you need to find out the commercial viability. So now next point is, moving on to next point, ideas for choosing your niche on YouTube. So I'm going to give you a few of the ideas. So based on that, you may choose or finalize okay, how you have to finalize your YouTube channel. Now लोगों में confusion बहुत है, तो how to plan, ये वाला जो channel का topic है, ये बहुत ही famous है कि आपको किस तरह से आपका day plan करना है, किस तरह से आप आपका month plan कर सकते हो, किस तरह से आप आपका year plan कर सकते हो, किस तरह से आपको study करना है. तो प्लानिंग जो है, प्लानिंग इंडस्ट्री जो है, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इंडस्ट्री जिसे हम कहते हैं, ये बहुत टॉप पे है. इट इज वन ऑफ द बूमिंग आइडिया अमंग यूट्यूब. So how to plan Child's Day, how to organize your courses, all these kind of thing actually you could come up with. So that is what is first topic. ये जो है, ये सारे ideas है कि आप कौन कौन से ideas को ले सकते हो आपका specialization. तो first था organizing and planning. Second is how to study. अब study तो सबके लिए है, चाहे वो IAS का study है, PCS का study है, IPS का NET का study है, और जो सीखने वाले students हैं उनके लिए study तो सबके लिए होता है. तो हाउ टू स्टडी बहुत ही कॉमन बात लगती है, हालांकि सबको पता है कि स्टडी किस तरह से किया जाता है, लेकिन अगर उसको भी आप प्रॉपर वे से लोगों के सामने प्रेजेंट करते हो, तो दैट इज आल्सो अ वेरी वेरी गुड टॉपिक. कि एक पर्टिकुलर चीज का अगर आपको स्टडी करना है तो उसके लिए आप कहाँ से शुरुआत करें, किस तरह से आपके डे को प्लान करें, किस तरह से उसको ऑर्गेनाइज वे में जाए और किस तरह से उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक को अंडरस्टैंड करें। तो ये जो प्लानिंग एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग वाला चीज है वो अगर आप स्टडी में डालते हो तो ये भी आपका एक निश बन सकता है। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द टॉपिक ऑफ चैनल, दैट इज बूमिंग टॉपिक। देन अनदर आइडिया इज चैनल फॉर मॉम्स। तो जो भी अभी मॉडर्न मॉम है वो सारी चीजें इंटरनेट पे सीखती है। वो अभी दिन चले गए हैं जहाँ पे एक कॉमन फैमिली होती थी, जहाँ पे एक जनरेशन से दूसरी जनरेशन में चीजों को सिखाया जाता था। बट नाउ एक्चुअली टुडेज मॉडर्न मॉम is learning most of the thing from Google and YouTube. So that's why actually how she should start her journey and what are all things she needs to take care. Actually nowadays parenting is one of the topic which is the topic of, actually it was a very natural phenomena previously, but now people are feeling very much tense because they are busy with their own stuff. Working moms are there and they find it very difficult to manage with all the stuff, and along with that when additional responsibility comes to their life, part of their life become very tough. That particular journey of a new mom journey, actually it becomes very tough. So how to manage, how actually they need to come out of it, and how to overcome all those challenges they are facing within that particular duration. So this is also one of the topic which is very much in demand. So this is one of the idea for YouTube channel. But then of course social media. So now there is a craze of social media. Actually people want to become famous on YouTube, on FB. They want to increase their follower, they want like means they got crazy like anything to actually get featured or get visible onto social media. So even you may start a channel wherein you actually make people learn ki, okay, how they could become more popular onto social media. So that is also one of the topic of YouTube channel which is in demand. Then the fifth idea is about home decor. Of course, everyone live in their home and they always want to decorate their home. So this is also one of the topic which people like, and they search most of the time, and they got a lot of interest in home decor. So in that, whatever waste material is there, out of that waste material, how actually they could prepare some beautiful things, and they could actually do a lot of beautification in decor in their home. So that is also one of the booming topic. Okay, now whenever it comes to financial viability of these videos in comparison to vlog is very much important. Now जैसे blog होता है, blog is wherein you are writing the written material, theoretical material, and vlog is something the same kind of thing, same kind of what blogs do is give you information about certain topics. In the similar way there are vlogs. So vlogs also many of the people do. Then there are podcasts. Many of the people do podcast wherein not a video but only your audio will be listened, but within that audio you will give certain kind of tips or solution of any kind of problem. So these are also few of the things. Now Google Trend, I have already told you about Google Trend. So this is what is the topic, Google one of the tool which you have to use for comparison, doing research, understanding which are the current trends going on in the market, and based on that you may do your research. Okay, which is my niche, okay, which is in demand. Whatever is my niche, my passion, just try to align it with the demand. So for that Google Trend will help you out. तो आज आपको जो होमवर्क है उसमें सबसे पहले गूगल पे जाके गूगल ट्रेंड को सर्च करना है. फिर जो कैटेगरीज हमने कुछ मतलब आपकी जो भी कैटेगरी होगी, दैट पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी यू मे सर्च रीजन वाइज, हाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू. नाउ दीज आर फ्यू मोर कैटेगरीज. फिटनेस का कैटेगरी है, मोटिवेशन का कैटेगरी है, न्यूज, then updates, then comedy. These are few of the categories in which actually you could create your YouTube channel. So these are few of the specialization in which you could specialize yourself on YouTube to become video influencer. Now at the end, before concluding, we'll just find out the checklist. So what is the 3-step checklist in today's session? First is select a topic that interests you. Means you need to find out your strength, your passion, your interest, and based on your passion, your interest, your strength, you need to finalize, okay, this is what is the topic on which I need to create my YouTube channel. Then next point is understand the audience needs and demands for your niche or topic. So once you identify your passion, you need to find out ki whether that particular niche is in demand or not. So for that, you need to research ki whether people like this particular topic or not, how is the demand, and how many people actually search for this kind of topic. Okay, if they are searching, in which age group they are, okay, they are male or female, okay, from which region they are. So such kind of different analysis you can do based on whichever passion you identify or finalize. Then how to monetize your YouTube channel, what is the best way to reach people with your content. So of course, for monetization, if you'll see YouTube, so you need at least 1000 subscriber, and you need in last 1 year you need 5 lakh hours watch time. So that is what is the most important challenge people face, ki 5 लाख घंटे उतना जो वॉच टाइम है उतना लोगों ने आपके चैनल पे स्पेंड करना चाहिए. देन एंड देन ओनली योर चैनल विल बिकम eligible for getting monetized. Once you become eligible, then of course there are several things, ki ads and all they will put, and that's how you will get the revenue out of it. And again, in that ads, whether that ads are got seen or not, if they are just keeping, then you will not get anything. So of course there are several things, but this is what is the basic eligibility criteria to get monetize your channel onto YouTube. Then massive action plan is doing SWOT analysis. तो आपका strength क्या है, आपकी weakness क्या है, opportunities क्या है, threats क्या हो सकते हैं. तो SWOT analysis करके आप आपका जो niche है उस पे narrow down हो सकते हैं, आपके niche को identify कर सकते हैं. तो ये था 3-step formula. आज का golden statement है, the time is just a numbers. That's why don't waste your time and find your niche now. It's not none, it's now. So this is what is the right time wherein you need to find out your niche. So first identify which is your strength, which is your passion, which is your niche. Narrow down your niche to as per the requirement of the audience, and that's how you may finalize कि यहाँ से मुझे मेरी journey start करनी है. So that was all about today's session. So what are the major outcomes from today's session? Select the niche that revolve around your passion, then choose the topic which gave you happiness to make the best videos, then write down the 3 levels of your niche, and then do SWOT analysis to finalize your specialization. So that's all for today's session. Now, if you are having any doubts and queries regarding today's session, how to actually finalize your specialization on YouTube, so you may ask. If any doubts or queries, you may ask right now. If at all you would like to ask is later, then you may put it on discussion board. आज का होमवर्क आपको क्या करना है, आपको सबसे पहले आपका जो भी स्पेशलाइजेशन है उसकी पहले कैटेगरी फाइनलाइज करनी है. Okay, again I'm switching on English. So today's homework, once you identify, okay, this is my passion, this is what my strength is. Once you identify your strength, then you need to narrow down what exactly you would like to give. Now narrow down to based on requirement of people. So for that you need to do some research. Now research on the basis of like few of the conditions will be there. Okay, which location you would like to finalize throughout the world, throughout the nation, throughout the state, throughout the city, district level, whatever. Then finalize whether your audience is male or your audience is female. If both, that is also fine. Then what are their age group, what are their interests, and all these kind of things you may search, and based on that you may finalize your keyword. So these 2-3 things you need to finalize. Then you need to use the tool Google Trend. Onto Google Trend, you have to do this proper research, and then find out, once you finalize your specialization, you need to do your SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, you need to find out your strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Now, whatever threats are there, you may actually come up with that particular challenge and find out the solution from that particular challenge also. So that's how also you may add up few of the things within your video influencing journey. तो एग्जैक्टली आपको ये 2-3 चीजें आज करनी है, एंड कल मुझे बताना है कि आपने आपका स्पेशलाइजेशन फाइनलाइज किया है या नहीं किया है. अगर किया है तो थोड़ा सा आपको बात करनी है उसके ऊपर ड्यूरिंग लाइव सेशन. तो एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 minutes you need to speak on your specialization. You need to actually tell us why, how you are different from others. If at all, for example, your category is food, your category is health, whatever is your category. So, okay, within that category, which is that one thing you have narrowed down to, what is your niche and what makes you different from others. So that one point at least you have to tell me tomorrow. That is what is your homework. Okay. Any questions? Anyone wants to ask?
Ma'am, I want to ask, when do we submit these homework, or we just write down and keep and you'll let us know?
Actually, on daily basis, you have to submit your homework. So I have told yesterday, no, so that you have to put on discussion group. Ki, okay, you have finished your homework. If you'd like to share with others, then you may share. So
Okay.
actually, on daily basis, you have to complete your
I
homework.
have finished my yesterday's homework. So should I WhatsApp you or?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
You may put it on discussion group. If at all you are not comfortable, you may WhatsApp me.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Any more questions? No queries, no doubts? आज का homework clear है सबको? क्या करना है?
Ma'am,
और discussion group का नाम discussion video influencer इतना ही है. तो आप discussion डालो, उसके बाद में video influencer लिखो, आपको group दिख जाएगा. Yeah.
Ma'am, your WhatsApp group है discussion
Yes.
influencer group?
Yes, yes. लिंक उस आपके मेन ग्रुप में दिया हुआ है. आप लिंक पे डायरेक्टली क्लिक करोगे तो आप उस ग्रुप में पहुंच जाओगे. आपको सर्च करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको पहले ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. अगर आप ज्वाइन नहीं हुए हैं तो लिंक इज गिवन इन द मेन ग्रुप. मैंने बहुत बार लिंक्स डाले हैं. ये भी बताया है कि लिंक आपके लिए एक्टिव नहीं है तो क्या क्या करना है. तो प्लीज आपको दोनों ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने हैं. आपको डिस्कशन ग्रुप ज्वाइन करना है और आपको मेन सक्सेस मैक्सिमाइज ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करना है. मेन सक्सेस मैक्सिमाइज में आपको आपके सारे फ्री कोर्सेज जो है वो मिलेंगे. और डिस्कशन ग्रुप में क्योंकि ये ओनली एडमिन पे है, आप डिस्कशन कर पाओगे. आपका जो भी डाउट्स क्वेरीज है वो आपको वहां पे मिलेंगे. और सर्टिफिकेशन की प्रोसेस भी आपकी डिस्कशन ग्रुप में ही होगी. तो इट्स मैंडेटरी टू ज्वाइन डिस्कशन ग्रुप. If at all you have not joined, just search in the main group where you'll get that link of discussion group. Join that discussion group and put all your homework, all your doubts and queries on discussion group. Okay, clear? So should we conclude here? So thank you very much for joining today's session. I'll put the recording soon. And today, now here, we are concluding this particular session. Tomorrow, we will meet at 6 o'clock. Thank you.